Today I'm going to show you two most beautiful places, beaches. First is Trasi, the next one is Maravante that I will show you. Most of you would have heard about Maravante because it has river on one side, the road in the middle, and the sea on the left side. Okay, that's how it is. It's on NH 66 and such. First, let's explore Trasi. Okay, let's go in and explore. Now, there are a lot of things which will happen as such because I know exactly what happened because I'm doing the editing, and so I'll be able to tell you. Okay, a lot of things to learn, and if you pay attention. Okay, the first thing is this man is 57 years old, but he doesn't look 57. He looks like about 35 years old because he does exercise on a daily basis, I believe. He travels 6.5 kilometers by bike, come here, exercise, and then ride back. Look at this ATV. They have all the sports activity here if you would like to come and play around with. Okay, so that's one. So I'm interested in people who actually are physically fit and wanting to be fit. Okay, so that's not a funny walk. It's just that I sped up the footage. Okay, so the sun is behind me, and that's the east, and what I'm going towards is the west. Look at the reflection of myself on the water, on the sand. Such a beautiful. So I get an idea that I think we can get a better shot. Better shot. Okay, so I think I need to go back and shoot it again. I think if I bring the camera down and then take it like this, it's going to be beautiful. Yeah, you got to put the double effort. You can't crib. When you enjoy what you do, you will just love it. My shoes didn't get wet, mind you. That is, I've learned how to start taking footages and not get wet. Look at this beauty. Look at the reflection of all that trees on the water. Actually, I should not have sped up the footage. So let's check that out from the drone's point of view. Don't think that you've seen everything, okay? I'm telling you, that's where you require the patience. Patience. Okay, so Maravante is just about 1 kilometer from here, okay? This is where people will have to, if you're coming from Mangalore, you will find this first. Okay, and then you'll find Maravante. You got that? That road will take you to Goa and all that. Murdeshwar, Gokarna, Goa and all that stuff. Got it. See, I see two people, exercising. I mean, I speak to them a little later. I understand that they've come all the way from UDUPI. It's a weekend. So they want to exercise here. That's pretty far from here. But they've come. That is how it should be. And I know of people, because I was a Bangalorean, people go around the park near the houses every day. Hey, look at that. They're happy that they are in the footage. Okay, so they just go around the park every day. Look at these people. They travel distances. They want to exercise, but they want a different, environment, view, so that they get excited even more. So let us see how this looks. See, one thing what I don't like is the stones that they put. They're actually damaging the ecosystem. It might look beautiful, but I'm telling you, the nature will take its own course. It's 3 lakh square meters of land. This beach is eroded in Goa because of one stranded ship some years ago for 30 years. I don't drive this fast. Okay, I'm taking it to Maravante. It's just that I'm speeding it up. Look at this. How stable I'm holding my camera. I'm sending the drone up. Let's see how we get the footage. Beach is on the left, right is where the river is. Where is it? Can't see it. I'm just trying to look at different angles as such, different angles, how this might look. Look at it, it's just beautiful, man. Sometime I need to come down during rainy season, monsoon season, sometime between June and, August. I want to see how this might look. That's the river that I was mentioning to you. Lift up the camera, man. Lift, man. Lift, man. Lift it. See, it takes its own course of action, the flow. You got that? Isn't it beautiful? I see the bridge. Okay, so I'm actually trying to go towards the bridge. Okay, let's see how that looks. See, I didn't know all this. Okay, I'm learning it as I see, and I've built a lot of patience. And I just trust God, okay? I just trust God. It's just that He takes me around. Look at this beauty. Look at the ocean color and the Oh, I didn't notice. Look at the reflection of those trees on the river. Yo, beautiful, man. See, when you're actually taking the footage like the drone and all that, what happens is you're only bothered about just capturing how much you can, trying to keep it stable and making sure. See, the truck. See, now I notice I can get a better angle, better shot in this. I thought I'll chase the truck, okay? So if you just have patience, you will get great view. And you know what? Now that I'm doing this, taking footages and all, just not from the phone, okay? I'm enjoying my trip even more because I understand the effort that I'm putting in. I don't worry about whether people like it, people don't like it, people for share it, whether I'll get subscribers and followers. No, I'm not worried about all that. Do you see that? My drone is actually trying to keep up. It is trying to keep up. Good job, girl. Good job. Very good job. There are a lot of shots that we need to take. Lots of shots that we need to take. I'm telling you. Now, a lot of things does happen. If you've gone away, you will miss it. The shorter the video, the less you will learn about it. I'm telling you. It's just that for views and all, they will do it. And when you actually go to the place, you will repent that why did you go? Because you don't know the whole truth. Actually, the one clip I delete it now. I didn't put it because I see a couple just parking up. They've come from Bangalore, but they're not Bangaloreans, mind you. So I asked them, "You want me to take your photographs? Husband and wife." They said, "Yeah, poda day." That means get lost. I felt so bad that why did I go out of my way asking them if I can take their photographs. You know, Sometimes I feel look at this, look at the reflection of the sun, man. Beauty. I'll show you one more shot. Okay, just hold now. See this now. See the reflection now. See how it's broken up. So let me take you. What happens now is if I take a U-turn, I go back to my resort. But I saw the bridge, right? I thought let me just go see it because I don't know what is in store for me. Okay, so I come here. It looks like an island. Okay, the higher I go up, I notice a lot of things. I see kind of a playground in the middle. I don't know whether it is for cultivation or whatever. I don't know. I really don't know about it. But the length of this island, I'm telling you, the length is about a kilometer long because I know I sent it. What happens now? I'll tell you. You have to pay attention to this. Okay. I get to the tip in edge. I turn the camera around. Okay. I turn it. Wait, I'll show you the footage now. Wait, no. I'm showing you. Wait. Look at this beauty. You should pause it now. You should pause it now and see this beauty. See this. The sun is behind me, okay? What happens, I'll tell you. I pull the drone back and take a photo like this. Then I go further back, okay? Further back and then start shooting. What happens is I can see on the controller, see where I've come right now. I passed all that island and come. What has happened is it is in the photo mode. I'm thinking it is recording. It is not recorded at all. I've come this way. I brought the drone under that bridge. Okay, it's such a beautiful shot. I got it. Okay, I thought next whatever I can get it. I didn't know at that point of time. I'm telling you, during editing, I got to know about it. I can even go back. It's just about 10-minute drive from me. But whatever happened. So I want to remember that this happened to me. Maybe tomorrow I'll go and shoot it if I want it. But otherwise, no. That's it. What happens. That's it. So now the idea that what I've got now is I want to see if I can take the drone over the bridge and show you the ocean. That's what I'm thinking about. Okay, and there are a lot of angles that you can take and all that, and that gives me inspiration. Doing things. Sending the drone between trees and all this stuff. These two boys that you see, they've come from Bangalore by bus. They're walking around everywhere, seeing the place and all that. Very energetic people. Yeah, I like people like that. This old man was so happy to see this. Okay, I got his footage, but that also I didn't put it. Selfish fellow I am. He's got one tooth, just one tooth with him. Okay, and when he saw the drone, he's smiling because he didn't know something like this ever existed. Look at this shot. The higher you go, the better the view is. But my darling can only fly 120 meters up in the air. What to do? If I lift up the camera, you want to see the view. See the color of the water. Now see the ocean. Ocean. See the ocean. Don't get upset that you didn't get a better shot of that. It's okay. Happens. I'm trying another shot. I'm actually trying to see catch the truck there. Do you see that? See the reflection of the trees. Now, what my objective is, I'm trying to bring the drone down, push the drone forward, lift up the camera. Okay, so it can reveal a lot of things. That's what I'm trying to do. But I'm quite worried that if there are poles, having electric wires, my little darling can't even make out it is there, and she will crash. That is also a worry that I have to keep in mind. Okay, and there's a lot of breeze here, a lot of breeze. But I think I got the final shot in great way. You will like it. I'm bringing the drone down and I'm going to push it forward, lift up the camera, and show you. And the hero presents himself. He's here in the yellow t-shirt. So I'll take you now to another beautiful place. Okay. See this, yaar. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy, stay alive. Beautiful, no? Beautiful, no? Hey, clap, man. Clap. Bye.